Have you ever felt that sudden shift? One moment she's warm, texting you back, laughing at your jokes, then out of nowhere, cold, distant, silent. It's like the light in her eyes flickers out overnight. You check your phone, stare at the empty chat, and that sick feeling hits your stomach. Your mind starts spinning. Did I say something wrong? Is she seeing someone else? Did she lose interest? Or was she never into me at all? You replay every moment, every text, every emoji, trying to decode thesalence. But here's the truth, brother. Most men react the wrong way when a woman pulls away, and that reaction destroys attraction faster than anything else. What if I told you there's a calm, confident way to handle this that not only protects your self-respect, but actually makes her rethink everything? Stay with me until the end, because I'm going to reveal a mindset shift so powerful it will change the way you handle women forever. This isn't manipulation, it's emotional mastery. Let's dive in. When she pulls away, understand the real game. When a woman starts distancing herself, it's not always about you. Sometimes it's a test. Other times it's fear, confusion, or emotional chaos inside her that even she can't name. But how you respond, that's what separates men she forgets from men she can't stop thinking about. This video is for every man who's ever been ghosted, ignored, or left wondering what the hell happened. Because today, we're breaking down 4 psychological steps that flip the script and put the power back in your hands. And if you stay until the end, you'll learn a mindset that makes you emotionally untouchable. A man women find magnetic without knowing why. Let's get into it. Step 1. Do not chase her. Silence is power. Have you ever chased someone who was slipping away only to watch them run faster? Yeah, we've all been there. When she starts pulling back and you rush in with texts, calls, or emotional pleas, you're feeding her ego. Not her attraction, you're telling her, you have power over my emotions. And the second she feels that she stops valuing your attention. Chasing kills mystery, and mystery is attraction. Here's the psychology behind it. When she pulls away, she's uncertain about how she feels. She's testing your stability. When you chase, you confirm her doubts. You show her you're emotionally dependent. But when you stay silent, you flip the power dynamic. You force her to confront her own emotions. You make her feel the void of your presence. Let your silence say what words can't. I don't beg for attention. I attract it. That silence isn't weakness, it's pressure, and pressure reveals truth. She'll start to wonder why you're not reacting. She'll scroll through old messages. She'll remember the last time you laughed together. And for the first time, she'll feel your absence more than her pride. If you can master silence, you control the pace of attraction. It's not about ignoring her. It's about owning your space and making her come back on your terms. But what if the silence starts to stretch? What if you feel like you're losing her completely? That's where the next step changes everything. Step 2. Focus on self-control, not damage control. It's human nature to panic when someone you care about goes silent. That inner voice starts screaming, "Fix this!" Text her, call her, don't let her slip away, but pause. Because that urge to fix things is exactly what ruins most men. You see, when you make every move out of fear, you're not acting from power. You're acting from panic, and panic never attracts. It repels. When a woman ignores you, your mind will try to play tricks on you. It'll replay her last message. It'll build stories that don't even exist. It'll whisper, maybe if I just explain myself, she'll come back. But that's emotional damage control. It's like trying to patch a leaking boat while standing in quicksand. Real power lies in self-control, not reaction. When she pulls away, don't chase closure. Don't feed the illusion that she holds the key to your peace. Your peace must be self-made. Instead of texting her, text your purpose. Instead of overthinking her silence, outwork your own mind. Go hit the gym. Reignite that project you've been delaying. Reconnect with your circle of real people, those who ground you, not drain you. Because when a man stays calm while his world feels uncertain, he becomes magnetic. Here's what women never admit out loud. They're subconsciously drawn to men who don't flinch in emotional storms. They respect the man who can sit in silence and still feel whole. And when she realizes you're not spiraling without her, that you haven't collapsed into the version she expected, suddenly her perception shifts. Now she's the one questioning herself. Did I underestimate him? Why isn't he chasing me? Has he already moved on? That's the moment you claim your power, because you stopped reacting and started leading emotionally. Remember this, your peace is sacred. Never hand it to someone who disappears just to test your worth. But there's the real twist. You can actually make her miss you more without saying a single word. That's what the next principle is all about. Step 3, use the law of reverse attention. This one is pure psychology. It's the hidden mechanism behind every comeback story. The moment she realizes she lost the upper hand, here's how it works. People notice what you remove. The more they feel your absence, the louder your presence becomes. When you pull back your energy, your attention, your validation, your time, you trigger curiosity, and curiosity drives obsession. Most men do the opposite. They panic and overinvest. They bombard her with messages, likes, and double texts. And all that does is tell her, you still have control. But when you master the law of reverse attention, you communicate something different without a single word. My world doesn't orbit around you anymore. And that shift, it's electric. Suddenly she starts feeling that void. Her dopamine dips. Her ego starts whispering, why isn't he chasing me? She might check your story. She might text, hey, stranger, just to test if she still has access. Don't fall for it. She's not reaching out because she misses you yet. She's reaching out because she misses your attention. So hold the line. Keep your energy scarce. Let her feel what distance truly costs. Women are emotional empaths. They feel energy shifts faster than logic can explain. When you pull your attention inward, she senses it. Even through silence, it stirs something ancient. Aprimal pull to re-engage, to figure you out again. Now she's wondering, did he move on? Was I the one who lost something rare? Was he stronger than a thought? That's how you take back emotional control. Not through confrontation, but through detachment with purpose. But we're not done yet, because there's one more transformation. The step that doesn't just make her regret losing you, but makes you look back and thank her for leaving. And that, brother, is step 4. Step 4, reinvent yourself in her absence. This isn't just about her, it's about you and the man you become when the silence stretches. When she disappears, don't waste your nights refreshing her profile. Don't check who she's texting or who liked her story. Use that silence like a forge. Every second you would have spent worrying about her, pour that energy into your evolution. Hit the gym like you're training for revenge. Note against her, but against your old self, upgrade your look. Sharpen your mind. Fix your posture. Fix your focus. Because nothing rattles a woman's mind more than seeing the man she walked away from become unrecognizable, confident, composed, unavailable. She expected you to collapse. Instead, you leveled up. You didn't just survive, you upgraded. That's when regret hits her like a slow burn. Because while she was trying to test your value, you quietly raised your price. This is what I call the alchemy of silence. You take the pain she left you with and you turn it into gold. You build new habits. You design new standards. You become the version of yourself that doesn't chase because he doesn't need to. Women come back when they feel your detachment, but they stay when they feel your evolution. That's the real flex. Not revenge, not validation, transformation. So next, time a woman pulls away, don't break down. Break through. Let your glow-up Bethy answer she'll never unsee. Here's the truth most men ignore. You can't control what she does, but you can always control what she sees when she looks back. Be the man whose peace doesn't shake when someone leaves. Beth a storm that teaches her the difference between chaos and composure. When you reach that point, when no reaction is needed, when silence feels natural, when your worth is self-evident, you've become emotionally untouchable. And that's the moment she feels it. That slow sinking realization that she didn't just lose a man, she lost a frequency. Because you stopped being an option. You became the standard. So if you're hearing this right now, understand you're not losing her. You're losing the version of yourself that needed her validation. And that, brother, is the most powerful trade you'll ever make. If this message hit you deep, if it stirred something in your chest, don't just nod and scroll away. Smash that like button. Not for the algorithm, but as a declaration that you're done being emotionally reactive. Subscribe to Dark Psychology because this isn't just a channel. It's a brotherhood, a place where men learn how to lead with calm, power, and purpose. Comment, I rise in silence. Because that's exactly what you're doing. Rising above the noise, above the games, above the weakness that used to run your life. More truth is coming, more strategies, more fire to make you untouchable. Until next time, stay grounded, stay focused, stay dangerous.